my YouTube channel. My name is Toya, and today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial on how I achieve my big eyebrows. We're going to get into that. But before we do that, I got to get into two other things real quick. Y'all see these lashes? What? Luxury lashes. This style is called Still the Scene. Guaranteed to still the scene when you step up on the scene, okay? So if y'all interested, I'm gonna drop that link below. And do y'all see this shirt I got on? It's called Trends on You. Let me know what y'all think about it. Is y'all feeling the name? Is y'all feeling the design? Cause what? This clothing line will be dropping what? Spring 2022. Okay. So alright, we got that out the way. So now let's get into these eyebrows. So y'all, we're gonna need an eyebrow pencil, black. Oops. Of course, a sharpener. Some concealer. Hey y'all, I just started using concealer. I'm gonna say about 2 weeks ago. I was on TikTok live and it was like, you need some concealer. You need some concealer. I'm like, okay. So I just went to the store and I picked it out. So let me see what this is about. And y'all, it's pretty cool. This one is called Brush. And then I have a brush. You can use this to apply your concealer, which I don't use, but if y'all have it and y'all want to use it, y'all can use it. I'm going to show y'all what I use for mine. A Q-tip. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't do it, y'all. We not here to judge, okay? But yeah, I like to apply with a Q-tip. And, you know, because once I'm done, I can just, you know, throw it away. Hey. And once we done with the eyebrows, gotta apply some of this good old luxury lip gloss to the lips. Y'all check it out. It's handmade by me. This one is called Poppin' Platinum. Y'all interested? I'm gonna drop the link at the bottom. So that's everything we gonna need. Let's get into the mirror. So my recorder won't let me be great. So I'm gonna just do one side and you just apply the same method to this side. Okay? So we go up. Start at the start of your eyebrow. Go up to as far as you want it to your liking. Then I'm gonna close my eye. Then we go down. Make the line. Then you curve it at the end. Okay? Basically, you following your eyebrow, but you know you adding them extra length. And so start at the top. And then you bring it down. I'm just gonna stop right there. So I'm about to apply this to the side. Here goes the fun part. That's about enough. That's good enough. Y'all see I did this one. So now, basically, you're just gonna shade it in. Y'all see that? Just go all in. Just shading and shading and shading. But y'all get the picture. Y'all get the picture. Just keep shading and shading. Voila, magic. So now we're gonna apply the concealer. Gonna go up, start at the top. Then we're gonna do right here, and then we're gonna do down. So this is how it looks with the concealer. You can use this to blend it in, but y'all know I said I'm gonna use a Q-tip. So okay. I'm gonna come back once it's all blended in. I used 4 Q-tips with the concealer. Now I'm ready to apply my Luxury Lips lip gloss. It's the glitter for me. All right, y'all. So this is the look. A better view. Oh, period. What? So y'all let me know if this is a look or not. Y'all feeling it or what? But I do want to thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And I got y'all.